Hello, I'm Katie Kammler, a horticulture specialist for University of Missouri Extension. Today we are going to go over how to plant tomatoes in your garden. Preparing the vegetable garden is an important part of planting. Here we are tilling and the soil is not too wet, so we do not destroy soil structure. Next, we plant. So I've marked out a row for my tomatoes and now I'm laying them out at an appropriate spacing. 2 feet is a good distance for tomatoes, and the reason for this is we want the more space between them is better for air and light flow through the plants as they get larger. This helps us prevent disease problems later in the season, which tomatoes are prone to. Now to plant. So you might notice that I seem to be working on those root balls, which you could see are fairly root bound. So basically I'm breaking up those root balls in order to encourage new root growth out into the soil. This helps them become established and better able to withstand any type of drought conditions. Then we water them in. We want to settle that soil around the roots. And then finally, because it was a nice day out, we went ahead and drove posts next to all the tomato plants. And these are going to serve as their support system. And it is important to tie up, cage, however you choose to do it, so it helps prevent disease and problems and also leads to easier picking. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about planting tomatoes, care of tomatoes, or harvest of tomatoes, please contact your local extension office.